Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today's video lesson is about using determiners. We use determiners in everyday English. But wait, what are determiners and what do we use them for? Let's learn about them together. Before we begin, let's play this little game together. We'll point at the picture on the screen and name the object. Let's go. Look, this is an apple. Oh, the apple is a bit far from me now. That is an apple. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the determiners? That's right. This and that are determiners. What does the word this tell us about the apple? What does the word that tell us about the apple? Let's look carefully at the sentences. This is a word that says the apple is near. What about that? That is a word that says the apple is far. So, what is a determiner and when do we use determiners? A determiner is a word that refers or points to a noun. Do you know when to use determiners? I'll give you some time to think. Any answers? Determiners are used to refer to things or people which are near or far. Determiners are used with singular and plural nouns. Let's move on. As you saw in the example, we can use determiners to point to something that is near or far. Let's come back to the example. This is an apple. That is an apple. So where do determiners go in a sentence? Let's find out. Can you spot the determiners? The determiner comes before the verb, followed by the article and the noun. In the example, is there one or many apples? There is one apple, so we use this and that for singular nouns. Let's look at another example. Look at the pen. This is a pen. That is a pen. Let's move on. What about if there are many objects? Let's come back to the apples. These are apples. Oh, the apples are a bit far from me now. Those are apples. Let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. Can you find the determiners? That's right. These and those are determiners. What does the word these tell us about the apples? What does the word those tell us about the apples? These tell us that the apples are near to the person. Those tells us that the apples are far from the person. There are many apples, so we use these and those for plural nouns. Let's look at some examples. These are keys. Those are keys. Now you can use determiners in English. Today we learnt what is a determiner, when you can use a determiner for something near, and when you can use a determiner for something far. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.